Whoa, this thing is huge! Whoa! Whoa! What's up, guys? Just left DePere, Wisconsin, the Fox River. Came up to the Oconto River here in Stiles Junction. If you've ever fished here, you know what it's like. Pretty shallow. A lot of people fishing shoulder to shoulder here. I'm gonna hop in, see what I can find in the shallow water. Yeah. Whoa, cool. Whoa. One for the homies. Yeah, what's that? She's ripping. Yeah, the current's pretty strong. Have to come back when it's less. Yeah. Definitely a bad time to have to go to the bathroom. Oh, I'm gonna have to hold it. Alright, the current was pretty strong back there. I'm gonna walk down this trail, try to find a good spot to go dive. This actually looks like a good spot here. Looks like a lot of people have been standing down here fishing. I really have to go number 2. And I got all this gear on. It sucks. That current is just a little bit too much for me. I'll have to come back another day. Let's get out of here. Just made it over to Quick Trip in Oconto. Quick Trip in Oconto, Wisconsin. Come out here and dive in the river. A lot of people say when they fish over here and lose stuff. I come here every year, but I don't know if it's been hit yet, but let's go check it out. We got the campground right over here. I think it's called Holtwood Campground, I believe. Or is it Holt? Anyway, let's go dive.
Alabama rig. Sweet. If I go in there, you gotta stop fishing because I can't go where you're fishing at. All right. Okay. Not this far? What kind of lure are you using? Was it like a jig, or was it a Rapala or what? Like this one or no? It's the one? Alright, cool. Yeah, it looks brand new. Oh, nice. Yeah, hey. In here? A lot? Yeah, alright, ready? I'm gonna throw it right there. Yeah, no problem, man. What's your name? Nathan? I saw a sucker down there too. Fishing line stuck on my feet. Fishing line up here. Hello. Uh-oh. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Alright, I'll be right there. I don't see any fish over here. Just a bunch of lost lures, garbage. Maybe for a boat or something. Oh, yeah. Whoa, thank you. Whoa. Whoa, cool.
What's up, guys? I just finished my dive, finished it off tonight in the Oconto River. Went to the DePere to the Fox River today, and got a lot of lures. And here in the Oconto River, got a lot of junk too. So let's check it out. Got this old bottle here, Oconto River Brewing. It's broken. Got this old, I don't know what this was for. Got an old battery here, some cans, plastic, someone's sandal, plastic bag, someone's vape. Had a lighter here also, and some other garbage. And look at all these lures. A lot of lures today, but I went to 3 different locations, and it's a big mess. It's gonna be a lot of work to clean that up, but I'm gonna go home and start working on it right now. Peace. Had a pretty good day of diving today. Let me show you what I all got after I untangled the mess. Got all these jigs here and all these other rip and wrap stick baits, blade baits, etc. Big mess that I got untangled, all the swivels here. And then this is from my last 2 dives here, these 2 bins right here. I gotta get these all washed and ready to go. Got these rip and wraps here. And I've got a bunch of jigs I need to wash and check the hooks. It's been a really good couple days, a lot of work to do. Hope you like it.